Hello guys, so today we are going to discuss about GUI programming in Python. Okay, so for here we are going to use interlibrary for making our GUI for learning GUI in Python programming. Okay, so basically inter comes with your sips in with your installation of Python, so you need to install that package. So you can start watching this video if you have Python installed in your system. Okay, so first let's create a file, Python file, which name is we can name it anything. I'm naming it as main. Okay, so first import something. First, let me dive in and show you some cool stuff which we can do with Tkinter library. Whatever you can say, Tkinter, enter, whatever. But I call it inter or sometimes Tkinter, something like that. Okay, so from Tkinter we can import um, TK. So let me show you one quick example, just showing a simple window which is displayed um, after just writing two lines of Python. Okay, so first we need a root folder which we can also say as window. This is a variable which keeps the track of our main window, okay, which is called as root window, which is displayed right like this, which you can see here. This is our root window, and in this root window we have some buttons here like file, edit, view, navigate, and this like sidebar and all. These are all contained in this root window. Okay, there's run button. So first we need to make this root window. Okay, whatever we have. Okay, so for this root window we need a window variable, and in that we are going to initialize tk. Okay, and then we are going to start window. If you run it like that, what we'll see, nothing happens. Okay, but as soon as I do window dot main loop, this displays a little window in our in our uh, computer or system, whatever. You can see here we are getting this little window where we are having this little title which is TK. So we can set this title though, like window dot title. We can set it right here. My first GUI application. Okay, so just run it again, and you can see here our application is showing something in the title also, which is my first GUI application. But one second, it is too small. Okay, we need to just starting out. We let's make it a little big. Okay, so that we can see it. Okay, so for that we use something called window dot geometry, and in there we use something like 1000 go into, or we can use x into 400, something like that. And now we can see, now here we need to specify something called width, and this one is as height, and we can increase this also like 6. We can see a little window is popping up. We can resize it also, whatever we can do here. Okay, next thing, window dot what we can do else, we can change the background color also, like let me change that to yellow or something like that. So yeah, you can see background color is changed to yellow, or maybe navy. I don't know navy, it supports navy or not, but let's see. Yeah, it is supporting that. So you can see that we can uh, do as much customization as we can in this Kindle module. Okay, so let's keep it as screen. It's much more eye friendly. So to have it like this. Next thing, let's show a little label over there. Okay, so for that we need to import something from here, which is label. Label is kind of a text which is displayed in your application. Like this is a label enter, this is a label YouTube. Okay, all these things which you are seeing text in text format are label. Okay, apart from buttons. Okay, like this thing whatever you are seeing here, all those things which are written there, uh, not all, but yeah, some of them can be considered as label. Okay, so for that we are going to make a label variable which is as label, and this is going to be contained in our root window, which is this window where we want to show this level. We want to show this level in this window, whatever we have in root window. So so at first we need to put this window, and then in next part we need to show we need to decide what text should be displayed in our level. Let's name it as um, GUI programming in Tincter. Enter, sorry. So this is done. So let's run this. And now it is showing nothing. Why is it so? It is because we forgot to pack this level. Okay. If you want to show this level on your window, then you need to pack this level in the window. So for that we use this one. This sets this level to your window. Okay. So just you can see here, this is GUI programming in Tincter. We can change the background color also. Like just run this again. You can see background color is changed. Okay. Let's make another button here. Like label, we have button also in our window. Anything like if you are clicking this run button, that is also a button. Anything which is clickable can be considered as a button. Okay. So the next thing we are going to import is button. So button is equal to label, sorry, button. And where you want to show this button? Again in window. Then what we want to show as a text, we want to show something like click me. Again we need to pack this one also, otherwise we won't be able to see this one. Button dot pack, and then again run it again. Now we can see there's a little button click me is also there. So let's give a background color this to this button also. Now run this application again. Now you can see one background color is there. uh, now let's add some command in this button. Okay, so for that we need to write some function here. Let's do it over here. Okay, def change text. This should be the function, not like this. Not here. Let's do it here. Now in this, first let's do something like printing, like change text clicked, and in button section just add a command in there, which is change text. I think I need to put it on top, otherwise. Okay, in here. Okay, so this is for changing the text. And if I just click here, you can see here our click event is triggering. Okay, so in here, let's change this also. So let's put it in bottom, because once it's packed, once any of your widget is packed, you can't tweak it. Okay, like after I pack my label, we can't tweak changes into that particular level. So what I want currently to change the level of this text dynamically. Okay, sorry, this label text, I want to change this dynamically. So what I need to do, just need to put this label dot config. In that, we can simply pass here text is equal to anything changed, something like that. And as soon as I click on this button, this is going to change the text of this label. Okay, so let's run this. You can see label text is changed, as you can see here. Okay, we can do it dynamically also. For that, we need something called lambda function, for like this lambda function, and in there we can just pass any of the text in there, like this. And here also something like this, we can pass any function here and we can just replace it with text. Not, sorry, not here. We need to put some text here, something like changed text. Now it's done. Let's run this application again. Now you can see, now our parameter is getting from here. It's quite dynamic. Okay, so this is it for this video. If you want more videos regarding this GUI programming in Python, then do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to make much more videos regarding GUI programming, regarding Tkinter or some other libraries out there also, like PyQt library. So do hit a like and subscribe to the channel. See you till then.